My name is Gürkan Solmaz. I'm a senior researcher at NEC Laboratories Europe in the Data Ecosystems and Standards Group. NEC and International Committee of the Red Cross have a technology partnership agreement. Based on this agreement, NEC Japan, NEC Laboratories Europe, and International Committee of the Red Cross have a collaborated proof of concept project. In the humanitarian domain, we might have various problems, and most of these problems are globally applicable in various regions. And one of the key problems is the demining, humanitarian demining problem. The reason is in the recent future there have been many conflicts or wars that caused mine contamination or explosive remnants of wars in the different parts of the world, and this makes it very hard to inhabit those areas or use it for various purposes, for instance to accommodate or for agriculture. In the humanitarian demining, there are multimodal data on a large scale, geospatial data, as well as there are reports, for instance surveys or technical reports or non-technical reports. These data should be combined and harmonized together to make it useful for machine learning applications, but also for easier visualization and understanding of the data. The goal of the humanitarian data space in the proof of concept is not to merge only the data together, but also create a common and contextualized knowledge graph, which is easily accessible and understandable. That means all the available data sources would be merged to an underlying ontology, where you might understand the concept of the ontology that you already know and annotate your data with the ontology concepts. One important aspect of the humanitarian data space is its interaction with the domain experts. For instance, there have been various people working on field operations for humanitarian demining, and those people have a more clear understanding of what can happen in a field or what are the associated risks. Given the predictions and data-driven assessment of the risks and good visualization, domain experts can make their decisions for their efficient planning or on-field operations. And on-field operations would include going to a certain area, region of interest, and prioritizing certain areas over another, given the risk assessment by the humanitarian data space. First of all, it is always satisfying to work on a project which is for the global good of society. And secondly, we had the chance to work here with a great team of people in NEC Labs Europe, NEC Japan, ICRC, who are experts in their fields.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.